Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to use forecast tool on TradingView. Firstly, open the drawing tools panel, then click on the forecast tool icon, which is a line with dotted extension. If you don't see it, click on the trend line tools and then choose forecast. Click at your desired entry point on the chart where you would like the forecast to begin. Now drag the forecast line on your desired exit price. This is where you expect the price to move by the end of your forecast. You can adjust the duration by dragging the forecast line along the x-axis time. This will show you how long you expect the forecast to be valid. Now right-click on the forecast line, select settings and modify its appearance in the Style tab if you want. As price changes, TradingView will show you whether the forecast is a success if the price direction is your predicted, or a failure if it moves to the opposite way. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.